So we have nardo gray 7.3 here that got wrapped back in August. And since then it's been parked in here. Just as a storage, and we're finally taking it out to bring it to the new garage and have it out for good now. So start working on it again. So I'll take the cover off and I'm going to be pulling it out of here today. I don't know if anybody remembers this, I only made one video on it with it gray. Alright, so we got all the plastic wrap off of it. Not sure if anyone does remember the one little reveal video I made of it, but time to get this thing out of here now. It's been buried in here for most of the time for the past 2.5 years. So we're gonna start it up. It has not been started in probably 8 or 9 months. So we're gonna see how that goes and put it out of here, get it in the daylight for you guys to see it, get a good running video of it, and show you guys what it's all about again. Alright guys, so we got the battery charger on it now. We're gonna let it charge a little bit. Obviously they're dead, happens just about every time. But hope to get this thing started soon. Definitely miss this truck. Wait till you guys see it on the streets. So stay tuned. Alright guys, since the batteries were completely dead, it took a little while to get it charged. Some finicky issues happening with the cables and whatnot, like always, I feel like. Why you shouldn't let these sit, but got it started up here finally. Everything's all situated now, and we're getting ready to pull it out of here, so hopefully I'll record that and show you it outside. So here it is outside. I honestly forgot how tall this thing is. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but the thing sits tall. It's been a while since I've driven anything that tall and pulled it out of the shop. But definitely, when you're outside with it, it's pretty crazy to see. You guys can full walk around. Got our ladder bars on it. Congrats interior. 5-inch exhaust, a whole bunch of stuff done to the engine. There's a whole build series on it. It's nice to see this truck again for sure. it's gonna be out for good now. I'm gonna be making lots of videos on it. Gonna still be at this build's nowhere near over, guys. I got a lot of plans still for it, so if you think it looks crazy now, might just want to wait, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, because we got a lot coming with this thing too. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you can see, we've got it in the new shop here, safe and sound, and I mean, it looks great in here. I've got the rock lights on. It's too bad it's not nighttime, because then you really get to see the underneath of it and everything. But the thing looks great in here. For those of you that are new, I have a full build series on this truck. I bought this truck, 5 or 6 years ago now, completely stock, like rotted out. Just about, this guy was pretty much like parting, like, you know, it was looked at as a parts truck, and we brought it to this level at this point. It's been in storage, like I said, for 7, 8 months, 8, 9 months, I don't know, around there. Well, since August, put it that way. And I mean, that's it. It will no longer have to just sit and sit. I can drive it all year round. I'm going to be here permanently now. That's why you're getting constant videos now on the channel. But I mean, just want you guys to really take in this lineup here. I mean, it's never really thought I'd see a day to see this. But I mean, the next step obviously would be get that truck next to this truck. That way you could just see it back and forth. I mean, it just looks great. That's just getting picky now, though. But nardo gray wrap it's got on it for those of you that are new. I get a ton of questions on the wheels and tires, and I always answer the question in the videos. I don't know if people just don't hear me, but they're 20 by 14 wheels on 36 by 15.5 Mickey Thompson Baja MTZ tires. Got that out. 2-inch spacers on it. Dual bilstein reservoir shocks. No, you can't buy these shocks anymore. I've had a question on that. They don't sell them anymore. All the leaf springs are just painted for now. Still looks decent. The whole frame has been painted. 2 brand new bed sides on it. These are not factory bed sides. You won't find rust on this truck. It's got the 2013 rear bumper on it. I mean, everything has been gone through, guys. The lift kit was pieced together by me. I bought a bunch of different parts and kind of pieced it together, used. It's, and I have to say, anywhere between 8 and 10 inches of lift. I really don't think it's 8 inches. I don't know. Maybe it is, but I think it's a little more than that. Got the bilstein shocks in the rear, too, with reservoirs. No, I showed you guys this already. Got a full King Ranch interior swap in it. And I know I've showed you this before, but I don't know. I feel like some people are new and miss this truck. ZF6 swap. We did that like the right way. Floorboards were done. That's all on the channel. But it's been a long time coming with this truck, guys, and I kind of just I got the wrap done and I left. I had to go back to college, and since then it hasn't been touched. So this whole build is now going to resume, starting with badges. I think for sure I want to get some badges on it. It's also got a cowl hood, in case you haven't seen that. But gotta get some badges for this thing for sure. I want to get a whole irate fuel system for it. Oh, and under the hood, we've got a full T4 kit, 250, 200 injectors, jelly built tune on it with a Hydra chip, S369 turbo. It's been fully out, resealed, new pan, manifolds redone, like manifolds freshened up, painted, powder coated. Again, all on the channel. That whole engine build, it was quite in depth, to say the least. I've put years, lots of time and money into this truck. This truck means the most to me. I will absolutely never sell it in case anyone's interested. I will have this truck for the rest of my life. This truck is also, you know, definitely want to keep that one. But this one I just can't, I can never part ways with. So yeah, so you see it's now in here. It's back to what we were doing. I'm gonna order some parts for this, you know, along the way, see what I want done to it. You guys might see, I might be doing something in the wheel and tire category. I kind of want to get like a show set of wheels and tires that are just absurd for it. So that would definitely be cool. You'll get to see that all on the channel. Something about this wheel well shot is just intense on it. Flight fab ladder bars. I could go on and on about what's been done to it. I know I've mentioned it before, so I guess I shouldn't really bore you guys. But subscribe and comment below if you really want to see more of this truck. I know a lot of people really do like it. And if you are new, there are, like I said, scroll down and down and down on videos and you'll start to see this truck on my channel. It used to be black, in case you don't recognize it. It used to be black and tan, actually, when I bought it. So stay tuned for that, guys. Shorty content. It's going to keep on coming. The engine in this truck will be coming out within the month, I would say, because we're doing a 600 horsepower build here. Videos of this are currently on the channel. Actually, kind of in the middle of it, just put a water pump on it, but it's just got painted. This thing's studded, valve springs, push rods. I've gone over that in another video. I don't want to bore. I really don't try not to bore you guys, but it's been a long time coming to see this line up in the garage, guys. That's my dad's 47 build. We're going to actually be putting a cam in that pretty soon, so I might record that, maybe. This one's got a fully built engine in it and everything, so stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the kind of resurrection of the 7.3 build. I mean, it's really been, it's back. And I'm so glad to say that it will never need to sit for that long again, and I could go back to what I was doing 2.5 years ago, so happy is to say the least. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are excited for all the builds we got, and we've even got excursion builds still at the garage that we took this one out of. That rust repair is going to resume very soon. I'll be recording that. So in case, another thing, I'll get this out of the way. Once I have all the builds done in here, I can tell you guys what we've got when it comes to 7.3s. But the 3 7.3s builds that we have on the channel are black truck. This is a 99 7.3. I still call it black truck. Gray truck. That's 99. We've got the shorty. Also a 99 7.3 ZF6. That's a ZF6. And then we've got the 2000 excursion build that we're currently doing rust repair on. I put a lift kit on it last summer. So those are the current builds on the channel. I'm always getting new stuff, so subscribe, guys. Put the bell notifications on for when I post, and I really appreciate you guys watching this. I'll see you guys in the next probably engine build video. Thank you so much for watching.